Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone had a fantastic Christmas and continues to have an awesome holiday season. Spend some of that quality time with the family. For our sake, get away from the shop a little bit and just relax. That being said, what I wanted to do is just go through kind of what our 2024 for Shift Rent Repeat looked like. You know, whether that be inside the shop, whether that be out at the drift track, because we finally got to be out there this year. We spent a lot of time in the past with Orville and Monster Squash Racing, hoping, you know, for a few years that we could get out there and do that. So I just wanted to kind of go through some of the footage we got this year and go through some of those things. The year started out kind of tough, you guys. If you remember, the shop got broken into late 2023. It got broken into a couple days before Christmas, and then that mess kind of carried us into 2024. Additionally, shortly after that, I did lose one of my best friends, Corey. God bless his soul, rest in peace. I wouldn't feel right about looking back on the year without giving him a mention as well. So the year started out kind of bleak, but we've had so many good things happen on the channel. Awesome projects, good customers. We talked about track experience, stuff like that. If you're watching this right now, whether you're a customer, a consistent viewer, a subscriber on the channel, I just really want to say thank you for... That was a fantastic time for the camera memory card to fill up, and I don't have a spare one here. So we're finishing this up on the iPhone, you guys. But what I was saying is if you're a consistent viewer on the channel, you're a subscriber, you contribute through the comments, anything like that, you're a customer at the shop itself, I just wanted to say thank you. I hope you guys go into 2025 on a super positive note, and I hope that you have big goals for yourself that you're gonna set out to achieve in 2025. I know we do. I know the shop is busier than it's ever been before. So sincerely, you guys, thank you. Let's get into the video. Literally a biohazard. Clean it out so we can get it sanitized. A mouse died in a water bottle. See my seat?
Oh, buddy. Real race car stop right here.
So I set the differential down on the ground to get these bolts loose because we're on a folding table, as you can see by the shakiness. First gear, front wheels are spinning, back is not. Turn our switch on, still not spinning because this is off. Energize that rear pump assembly.
You gotta whip it back faster, sooner.
You get a the light on it?
I'm trying.
Go from the top. Well, so we made it to a little after 3 o'clock on the second day of the event, Drift 102, and we were going to come let the car settle down anyway, and then I saw some smoke. We came up and we got a ridiculous hole in the radiator, so that cuts our weekend short, and we're going to have to trailer the car home. I'm going to see if I can show you the hole, so let me get you flipped around. Can you get the light on it?
I'm trying.
Go from the top. There, if I can. It's going to be really, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show it.
Right here. Show it from over here, up top here. Let's move this computer out of the way and you can really see it.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Right there, guys. If it'll focus, hang on.
Ooh, that's hot.
It just like blew a hole in the side of the tank. Like nothing hit it, it just disintegrated right there. Holy crap, it actually busted the whole thing off.
Housing off.
Oh my god. Look at that. Holy, I didn't see that.
We could JB weld that back on.
Nah, we're just gonna replace it. Oh my god.
That sucks, dude.
We made it almost to the end of the event, so I'm okay with that.
And you progressed a lot.
And we didn't overheat.
No. Dude, this is awesome. This is a celebration. Fuck this radiator. We'll get you another radiator.
Well, so radiator has to be installed, but we made it basically to the end of the event. I got hundreds of runs in, and it didn't overheat, so that's a pretty livable fix, I guess. This is racing. This stuff is going to happen. This is racing anyway. This stuff is just going to happen. But on that note, we're going to get this back to the shop. It's the end of the day for us, so we'll have to figure out a plan here. So that's there it is. You give me a shake. Give me a shake. Shake. Good girl. Here you go. Walking over here, before and after so far of the used wheels we picked up to replace the stolen ones. So I got 2 of them done right there. They look pretty good, and I just painted these by myself. Once we wear through this set of tires, you can see the tread on those guys is still pretty good. Once we wear through these tires, then we'll have Jeremy powder coat these, but I just couldn't have them, you know, looking like this going on the car. You can see all the rust and corrosion in here. Got this, I just covered up my phone number, and it says this goes to Jarrett Jenny, a best friend, and inside the package, focus, was that sticky note that says, to my best of friends, I hope this helps with the YouTube journey. Way. And done. Just like that. No burbles.
Give us the burbles.
I think I'd remember. So these have a 4.2 liter V8 in them, stock. They're about 340 horsepower to the crank. With the modifications we've got, we're sitting around 430 right now. So we have a Stage 2 Jackal Motorsports tune. We have a Tweetler ported intake manifold with a flapper mod already done. I have a Tweetler 3D printed throttle body adapter to upsize to a Mopar Hellcat throttle body, 92 mil. So we got a pigtail adapter to go from Mopar to Audi, and then just custom, basically hot air intake.
Hot air intake for the win.
For the win. What up?
I got you. I don't know if you guys have seen Griffin on the channel. Have you ever been in a video?
I don't think so.
Oh, you were once. The Celica. Whoa, there we go. That's sweet. So Griffin and I went to tech school together. I think you saw him once, way back when we ripped the Celica. Remember that?
Way back.
Way back. So it's been a long time.
Fun to bounce off the road with.
The Celica, that's the only time he's ever been in a video, but he came up for a wedding. He sent me this text, and it's so unnecessary, I love it. He took his Q and trailered the S4 so that we could rip it. So it's currently the day after the wedding, and got the S4 off the trailer, and now we're here. So unnecessary.
So unnecessary. But you could, I wanted you to see both vehicles. Left or right?
Left.
Left.
It should be recording. You shouldn't have to do anything. This is the part where I get to see if I have to get used to your clutch or if I'll just like get it down right away.
It's
Every car.
It's like a toy car. Mine is super easy.
What if you like?
Yeah.
I love it.
Holy moly. Ugh. Don't worry, we got him. That should do the trick.
Just gonna leave that right there for him. Just saving the world, you know, one Cybertruck at a time.